Okay, then yeah. No. It's probably just PvE.
That's rough.
I mean, I don't know. Sturm and Drain goes hard.
With the catalyst, it gives it like 10,000 range.
It gives it a fuck ton of handling too. So shit's nuts.
Ah, yes, the Nazi pistol.
Or what?
The what?
It's the Nazi pistol.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Mhm.
Sure.
You hear German every time you reload it.
What?
Can you imagine if it's like Hawkman where you get the fucking Sturm overcharge and like here's Hail Hitler and then you fucking dome someone?
If someone's above you, in the attic. Heard the juice.
Dude, I want to show them the thing that I made.